Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, you can see how you can get money from ATM machine through your card. Let's learn the simple and easy method of receiving money through ATM machine. Enter your ATM card and wait a while. When a password option appears, enter your ATM card password and click enter. Then select your account type. Enter the amount you want to withdraw and click enter. After some time here, first of all your card will be ejected, then your money will be ejected here and you have a few seconds to get it in your hands. If you like this video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon that receive new informative videos. Thanks for watching.